Everyone, welcome back to ECU Team channel. Today we are taking apart this Dodge Ram head unit. So first things first, you want to remove that rubber thing off, and then you want to screw out. There are two screws, and remove the plastic container. And then after that, you will want to take apart the whole entire head unit. It got the clips on both sides, so you want to unclip it, and then after that you also got a couple of clips on the bottom of the head unit. So then after you will remove once you unclipped everything, you can try and take it out. It should come out pretty easy without any problem. If you do have a problem taking it out, it means that one of the clips is still attached, so you want to avoid that, so that way you'll be able to avoid any further damage to the plastic or the unit itself. After you got the plastic taken out, you want to disconnect the connectors, and there are a couple of them. Some of them are more tough to get out, so you want to use a helper tool. Either that can be a screwdriver or something that you would be able to press and then take it out, or you can just take it out all by hand. It all looks just like this. Now let's take out the actual head unit. So it got 4 screws to it. Pretty simple to take it out. Just follow the steps on the video and you'll be fine. Now, same exact thing on the actual head unit. These connectors are tough to get out, so you want to use your helper tool. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as you'll be able to push on the actual connector for it to open up, and then you'll want to pull it out. Follow these steps in the video and you'll be fine. After taking out the head unit, you can then replace it with a new head unit, either if that will be with the nav system installed or some other features. We'll show you how to put it all back together. Pretty simple. Keep on watching.